We make this. You see? We make this. Wait,
I made this.
this one he make. What is this? You
A
show.
carrot.
A carrot. My carrot is this one.
Where?
You see? My carrot is this
Look
one.
at this.
Look at in the picture. Yes, right. And then I make this. Yeah. And then how about the pen? How about the okay. This now is 10 now. How about the carrot? Is this one? I make this. The broccoli. The broccoli. I make this one for the broccoli. And then this one. This one. This one. Kasi walang pink kanina, pink. Hindi siya nag-open ng pink. Kaya, ito na lang ang ginawa ko. See? mm, mm. Kasi talaga, ganito talaga pag makipaglaro ka sa bata. He make this one. I just show you. He make this. No, I didn't broken. This one for him. This one. He make this.
I'm
this
making
one.
an orange.
He make this one.
I'm making an orange.
My carrot is falling down. And then his banana. No, I show the banana. Banana. Dito ikaw na di banana na. Tinulad na di Jenny nga banana. Dito ni banana. How can banana like that? You see? Can you check how can banana? Tapos yung mga kulang-kulang niya sa ginagawa niya. Tinatanggal niya dito. Can stand your banana? How can banana this one?
Look my orange.
What is that orange?
This.
Very nice. See? I want to make
The orange.
I want to make the banana. No more yellow. No more yellow. Clay.
I want to see the orange.
Be careful my things. See? I make this with this boy. See?
I'm making a,
You make what?
I'm making an orange.
Orange. Oh, this one. I make this one. The orange. This one. I make this. How about me? Oh, I still have orange in there. Sure. But no more green, ma. Only the white you have. No more green. So how? I want to make also. Finish the time already. Finish. You see, Auntie Jen make these three things. You see? No. I need the hand, the leg. What else? What else you want?
I need the hand. A small hand.
Enough. You share you hand and feet that one. Hand and feet. Because only this one also hand and feet for me. No need. Just put there. Don't mix for Tommy. No, don't mix here. Just put your side. And then hand. A little hand.